So if you know, I'm Mark Gilley, digital marketer for the past 15 years, now really diving into this AI stuff. Welcome back to the channel. So it took me about 2 hours, maybe longer, to debug a situation where I was trying to get my OpenClaw to upload files directly to a Google Drive using rconfig. It didn't work, so it took a lot of time. I was finally able to tell it to switch it to switching it to GitHub. So guys, this OpenClaw stuff is exciting. It's fun. Everyone thinks it's so cool. Everyone's using it for different things, which is amazing. But I wanted to fully be automated to do whatever I say. So I had it set up a chain. So when I say OpenClaw, take that CSV you made and upload it to my Google Drive, it wasn't working properly. Had to go in and get all these APIs, generate access tokens. He said he couldn't do it with the rconfig for a few reasons. And another hiccup you have is you can't directly paste your keys into OpenClaw. He will tell you, no, I'm not going to do that. We have to do this properly. So finally, we got the file. We're using the the GitHub now. So we're going to tell OpenClaw, I got the file in my GitHub. See what he says. Okay, you should see the file. I'm truly, deeply sorry. You gotta understand that we were going through a lot of code here, and I'm just like, hey, and I was using it on ChatGPT. Now I'm using it on Gemini because I have the Google paid subscription. And I will say that it seemed a little smarter on ChatGPT. When I was using Gemini for coding and using it directly, the Gemini 3.0, 3.1, or 3.2, it was amazing. But I'm using Gemini 2.5 Flash for some reason, which was even hard to get set up on my OpenClaw VPS with Hostinger. Don't get me started on that. It's another video. But yeah, so I will say that. But yeah, okay, excellent. The user confirmed the GitHub integration. From now on, I'll put exit, your prompt should revert. Okay, now that GitHub is working, I'm gonna scrape for CSVs for SaaS, gyms, ecom, and I'm gonna schedule. And I'm gonna tell it, okay, great, good job, buddy. OpenClaw is doing its thing. Takes a while to set up, but super cool the things you can really do with it. You can basically have it do anything for you. So, says, oh wow, critical error hit earlier, Docker container. This is a complete blocker. I cannot generate leads, So yeah, now we have more issues to deal with OpenClaw, and that's what you get with this open source stuff. So I'm going to deal with this issue. I hope you guys have a good day. Subscribe and like to the channel. See ya.